going on, YouTube? It's Brick Got Keys. I just took delivery of my 2012 SRT 8 Chrysler 300.
What the fuck? Bro, these bitches monster trucks.
Right.
Oh my.
It came with good tread. That's why they so loud. We got C&B Lil Frey right here,
Tight shit.
helping me put the diffuser on.
For real. Damn, these tires meaty as fuck.
All right, get back to y'all when we putting the diffuser on. All right, there we go. We got the diffuser. It's looking very pretty, very shiny. You know, I think it just snapped on the place. I don't really know.
Damn.
Yeah, them bitches snap.
All right.
Shit. Them bitches looking right. We got installing a diffuser type shit on the both YouTube videos and shit or some shit like that though.
The diffuser's so clean, my car is so dirty.
That's man. Just snap that bitch in. And then we get some screws, tighten it at the bottom so it can be extra secured. Oh shit, boy. Dude, that was looking right. Ooh.
Good as hell.
That was looking right.
Just gotta get bigger exhaust tips.
Yeah, me too. Shit, them forward exhaust tips on scats would be terrible. Them bitches do not be going for it. That bitch looking right. All right, now I installed the diffuser. Now I just gotta get these marker lights and get it the pop all the way in there.
Ooh, some clip in the bottom so you know that bitch ain't coming off.
All right.
Get some screws and shit.
I just gotta get some screws, screw the bottom in. But I'm gonna give y'all a walk around. Like I said, I just got it. Got the big 6 pistons. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the interior. Got the Daytona seats in here. Panoramic sunroof. Go ahead and pop the hood for y'all. Mopar intake. 392 Hemi. This is a continuation of my last video. It's a couple weeks later though. My bad for the inconsistency. I'm gonna give y'all a little warm start. When I first got it, my miles per gallon was terrible. I think it was like 12. I've been chilling, filling the car out a little bit more. So I got it up to 15. I'm trying to see what's the highest I can get it up to. This car is bad, but it's not that bad in the winter. I need a little alignment. Y'all little PLV drive. Play with the downshifts. Oh, and this car just has a mid muffler delete. Still has the resonators. this car I have snow tires too. So y'all see how you tap the gas a little bit and then lose control. But it's controllable though.